So you want to know how long it takes for Airbnb to verify your identity. My name's Charles Rashid. I've been in the real estate and hotel business for over 30 years. I coach people around the country on how to get started with investing in real estate. And today I want to talk to you about exactly why Airbnb verifies identity, what IDs they accept, and how long it takes. So first, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this content, you'll be notified every time I upload another video. And also, if you stay till the end, I'm going to give you my free ebook on how to build wealth through real estate investing. So watch till the end. So the first thing is, why does Airbnb verify identity? Well, Airbnb is a peer-to-peer platform, and they really act as the middleman between hosts like myself and guests, people that want to stay in my property. But they want it to be secure. So they want to verify identity and addresses. And this just makes everyone feel more comfortable. We know who we're dealing with. We know that they've been verified by a third party. So the second thing we're going to talk about today is what type of IDs are allowed. Airbnb allows driver's license, passports, identity cards, and visas. Really, they want address and a photo ID. All right, number 3, so how long does it take? Airbnb states that it can take up to 24 hours to verify an ID once it's been submitted. Typically, it only takes about 3 hours, but don't count on that. It can take up to 24 hours. If you are a guest that has not verified your ID and you want to book something immediately, it will hold you up. It typically, if it's somebody that wants to book something, what I find with my guests is it holds them up for hours, and then typically they'll have to call and they can get that pushed through a little bit faster. But try to verify ahead of time. Think ahead. If you want to book a house, then get verified before that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch till the very end so you can get a link to my ebook, Building Wealth Through Real Estate Investing.